Imagine an employee who works all day and night. No breaks. No salary. No complaints. That's what AI is now doing. AI tools like AutoGPT and AgentGPT can work by themselves. You just give them a goal, and they figure out the rest. They can search the internet, collect information, write emails and reports, create daily schedules, and even manage tasks. All automatically, with no human help. This is called an AI agent. It's not just a chatbot. It acts like a full-time worker, working 24/7. Some people use AI agents to run online businesses. Others use them to save hours every week on simple tasks. They're fast, cheap, and always available. AI agents are changing the workplace. Soon, you might not need an assistant, just one of these. Want to learn more? We break it down for you every single day.